Hello, thanks for opting into this page. This page is right where you were just at, so do please go back to your email and validate your email so you'll get more important information about this program and about other programs that I'm working to grow and build for all those that are on my team. So hi, I'm Carol and welcome to this page, and you're probably on this page right here watching this video right here. Okay, and you're here because you want to have 5 programs of your very own from one system, and they also grow Live Good in GDI, and this is called the Viral Smart Rotator. Okay, so just click here to sign up for free, create a username, full name, and your email, and then you will need to go back and validate your email for this also. So there's 2 times you're going to need to validate your email. One for my information to get on my list, and then one time to validate so you can log into this and get this set up. Okay, now we are logged in. As you can see, this right over here is your control panel. This is your back office. This takes you, if you scroll down a little bit, this takes you through steps 1, edit my details, edit my profile links, edit the downline builder, okay, and then it gives you affiliate tools and stats, referral stats, which is all this right over here. And it also gives you the membership level comparisons that you can go over. This is the new traffic exchange that they just added to this, which is multiple. I'll let you go over this and look at this because there's many traffic exchanges that are going to be added to this. This is the safe list builder. You can put in your own safe lists. So this is a traffic builder. And besides your own 5 programs plus Live Good in GDI, it will grow. So these are the traffic safe list builders, traffic exchange, and traffic builders like co-ops. And then you click here for the GDI Smart Rotator, which is also linked to Live Good. Okay. You can put your GDI right there. Okay. You can click update, or you can click that and join from there. And then here's Live Good right here. You can click this and join, or just add your link right in there. Okay. And then to go back up here is where you start to edit your details. This is where you put in your information for your profile. You upload your picture and you put a little of information about yourself. And then you put in your blog and Facebook and Twitter or X URL. And then right here is the edit my profile links. Right here is where you want to go and add your 5 programs. And I've just updated mine. That's why you'll see waiting there. I've been in this for a little bit. I really like this program. It's a very nice downline builder. He's always adding new things to it. So these are the 5 links. You just put some text right there and then put your URL in there. Same thing down here, and then click Save Links. And then once he checks them to make sure that they're good and the URL works, then he'll approve them. It'll show approved, and then you'll be all set to go. Down here is where you can add your own advertising. You got banner ads, text link ads, solo email ads, login ads, full page surf ads, gift slots. There is a lot to this, and it's free to join and get started. This is your traffic builder, but also your program builder for GDI, Live Good, and 5 of any other programs that you choose. So get to your email and validate your emails and get adding all your information in here today.